want to do a quick walkthrough before and after of website design. This was this website was originally in Squarespace. They had another company move it from Squarespace into WordPress. They didn't really like how it transferred over. Also, are looking for a more upgraded vibe to what they currently have. They don't feel that it currently represents what they are doing. Um, and so this is the before. Yep. And then we'll go to what we're currently designing for them in Figma. This is not yet completed, um, but as we're building out the design, we are doing walkthroughs and edit just to show what we currently have. So these would be the current client. And then this actually goes from hardware to software because they do both hardware and software, explaining the different things that they do. As you can see, it actually brings it forward and shows the lightness when you hover over it. Similar here, these hover and bring them a little bit lighter with that monochrome kind of Apple style that is popular right now in 2026. The archive projects, the idea behind this was to have different file folders available, kind of like if you were to go back in your files to look at the old products that you had created, products or projects. I guess it depends on the company. So with this, you can see that it goes from black and white to color. These are placeholder photos for the moment. And the reason why it's black and white is because their colors are obviously this black and white logo. So you're trying to stay true to that. And then they have their workshop, which, as you can see, top secret PDL archive, and these are their case studies. And so these will actually open up case studies. The idea behind the client communication was that you get a lot of communication from your clients that a lot of times is based off of text message or Slack message communication. And so to see like those live and catch those live real interactions instead of just an overall review, which the overall reviews are great as well. This is just a different way to show pain points and excitement, essentially. And this is their About page. It shows you about what it is they do, why that they do it, really bringing in a good amount of SEO on this page, a lot of verbiage to explain who they are. And so as you scroll, it is optimized. This is optimized to all screen sizes. This is just the larger, obviously, desktop version. And then this actually highlights to this darker color as you hover. These ones have like a background shadow to pick up the back cover, and these ones fade to black for the hover. And then for the team, it was kind of like a card strategy to show who is on the team, what are their biggest highlights and attributes that they bring to the table for this venture studio. Okay. And then we've got like that monochrome circular shadow hover that happens with who we work with, the type of companies that we work with. And a nice quote. And this is really just bringing you into what it is that they do, and grounding that. So let me know if you have any questions. We'd love to be able to bring this to the table for you guys as well.